Hello everyone, for today's video I'm going to show you how to make a fluffy slime. So this is really fun to make. You can stretch it, you can play with it. It's really kind of like fluffy and thick so you can poke it. It's so fun. If you live in the UK like I do, you'll know it's a lot more awkward to make compared to in America when they can use liquid starch and borax. This doesn't use either of them, and I followed a few of these on Pinterest and they haven't worked, and they're meant to be like alternatives that you can use if you live in the UK. It took me around 3 to 4 goes to get it right, but I've got it right now and it's great and I'm so glad that it's worked. There are a few important tips that I'll put in at the end of this video, so if you want to know how to make this fluffy slime, then keep on watching. To make fluffy slime. I hope you enjoyed it. There are a few different things that I think are important in making this slime. So the first thing is that the glue must be PVA glue, it must contain PVA. And the second thing is there is Olmat that I use, which is a liquid detergent which you can buy from Aldi. Now I've done this with bio and non-bio, so both of them have turned out exactly the same for me. If you find your slime is not quite right, you can leave it for a little bit longer in the box, maybe give it another hour and see if it works. If not, you can use baby powder to kind of make it not so runny, so that's a tip if it's too runny. And also if it's too sticky, add a tiny bit of water, and when I say a tiny bit of water, I mean literally put some water in your hand and flick a tiny bit onto it. And I found that helps, that if it is too sticky, it gets rid of the stickiness, but only a tiny bit because you don't want it to go too watery. If you have any other questions or you try this yourself and something doesn't quite seem to go right, just leave me a comment down below and I'll get back to you and I'll help you as much as I can. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. You can subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!